Asset class, to create the asset class, you should know a few three thing. It depends on three thing. An asset class is created the client level, meaning that if I created one asset class as a building, every company code can use that asset class. So asset class has created the at the client level. To create the asset class, you need three things. That is, one is known as a account determination, another is known as a number ranges, another is known as a screen layout. Account determination, screen layout, number ranges. Until unless you create these three, you cannot create the asset class. So asset class completely depend on these three things. Let me make the diagram. Okay, so this is the three. Asset class depends on three. What is the use of the account determination? If you remember, I always use this word account determination, means GL mapping. Here, with the help of account determination, wherever in SAP anybody talk about account determination, it means the GL mapping. Automatically deriving the GL is known as account determination in SAP. So with the help of this, we are going to map the GL later. Okay, you'll do the GL mapping. You say that when I purchase the asset, my purchase account, asset account debit to vendor account. Then where that asset GL will pick, you are telling depreciation account debit to accumulated. Where that GL will pick, where you are mapping the depreciation account and accumulated depreciation account, that you map against account determination. With the help of account determination, later you'll map the GL. Screen layout means to control the field in the asset master. Okay, when you create the asset master, we can control the field in asset. In asset master also there are two segments. So let me show you here. AS03 in asset. Okay, so in asset master, this depreciation area fields are controlled from one place. Okay, depreciation area, double click on this. So there are many fields. So this control from one place. Other than this, all other tabs are controlled from this, which you are talking right now. Screen layout of the asset class. Number ranges, whenever you use the asset class and create the number, like you use the vendor group, you use the GL group to create the GL master to create the vendor number. Similarly, by using the asset class, you have to create the asset master. So for asset class, you have to assign the number ranges. So whenever you create the asset master, number will get generated. Okay, so these three are there. Based on these three, once these three you decide, then you have to create the asset class. Okay, so here first of all, let us see asset class, account determination, then screen layout, number ranges. Let me write number ranges, screen layout. Now you have to decide what are the asset class you want to create. Let's say I want to create building asset class, building, furniture, land, machinery or plant and machinery, plant and machinery, vehicles, and let's say these are the software. Okay. These are my asset class, or grouping of the asset. So these are my asset class. Now, now how I want to map the GL? I have to decide the account determination. So let's say for building, I'm telling that my account determination, any code you give, okay? Let's say building, I'm giving account determination also building. For furniture, I'm giving account determination furniture. You'll understand, it's not no problem. Same I'm giving. Now in this only one thing you have to understand. Let's say when you will purchase the asset, or when any asset you purchase, what I'll do, if I purchase building, with the help of account determination building, I'll map the GL. But let's say business is telling that either when I purchase land and I purchase building, if it's telling either I purchase land and building, I want to map into same GL. My GL should be same. So you have two options. Listen very carefully. This is important as a consultant. You have to understand. Either you create two account determination and go and map same GL, or if you take same account determination and put here also same. Okay, put also here same. So what will happen if you map against this account determination, the GL, it is applicable for building also, it is applicable for land also. So account determination, single account determination can be linked to multiple asset class. That is what I'm trying to tell her. And many a time we do this way. Okay, in only business want to bifurcate the asset class, but back in GL mapping, they want to do same. So you can map the same if required. So this is about account determination. Later, for this account determination, we'll map the GL. We'll map the building acquisition GL, building depreciation GL, building related accumulated depreciation GL, every profit, loss, gain, everything will map in the backend. Number ranges, when you create the building, asset master, let's say I'm creating one mall. I'm taking asset class as a building and I'm creating one mall because that mall is my asset. So what number it should generate? So I have to assign the number for this building. So I can give any number. Okay, let's say 1000 to 1999. This is the. Now what happen? Any asset I create related to building, it will use this number. Furniture, let's say I'm giving 2000 to 2099. Similarly, land, if I want to here, so if I create any asset, let's say I want to create one sofa asset master. So I'll use asset class as a furniture. See here, when I go and create the asset master, T code is AS01. So here I'll give asset class. Okay, I'll give asset class and I'll create the asset. So how the asset number will get generated? It will generate based on the number you assign to this asset class. Okay, land, let's say 3000 to 3009, 4000 to 4099, 5000 to 5099, 6000 to 6099. Okay, this is the number ranges. Then screen layout. How you want to control? If you assign same screen layout for two asset class, then for both the asset class you want to control in same way. That is the meaning. So I am creating here for building, let's say BU, and if this B in BU I made some field mandatory. If same BU I have assigned here also in the land also, then if I create any asset related to land, that there also certain field will become mandatory because here I'm using same screen layout. But if I want to control my land related asset master separately, then better I'll create separate screen layout rule. Okay. So you have to think about it and you have to accordingly create it 2 digit. So I'm giving here only 2 digit code vehicle. So this is once you create the account determination number range and screen layout, then you can create the asset class. Now let us go and create it.